Hi, Sonia. I'm glad to see that you're moving into the world of infographics. This um, lineage here of bottles definitely would be considered an information graphic. Is it accurate though? Sales per day. So you've got 9 sales per day, but then you've got different information. So is it a bar chart? It looks like a bar chart, but I'm starting to think now that it's not. So consider instead, okay, so perhaps is this about sales? I bet you can find statistics for Coca-Cola sales and then actually turn this into a bar chart, and then overlay these bottles instead of the bars, and that might make more sense as far as information is concerned. Otherwise, the rest of it is just an interesting layout. It doesn't inform me, doesn't really teach, this especially doesn't teach me anything. It's an interesting way to do a layout though. Top reasons to join is a good start. Did you want to illustrate these perhaps? So finally, consider blowing it out a bit. Like it's real crowded between this section and that section. So you can turn this list into a two-part list. If you make this a bar chart that tells me information, um, it might not look exactly like this and it might not be this size. So you can make this, like I said, it could make a 2 columns. So let me see, was there another one? No? Okay. So that's basically where I want to direct you is to give us real information. Look up Coca-Cola statistics. They must be out there. Coca-Cola statistics. Coca-Cola sales statistics. So that's where you could get your bar chart. There's a lot of it. Look, there's a whole animation here. I will copy this for you. You can check it out. All right, let me know if you have any questions.